Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss the 12th Computer Science Board Practical Exam question paper. So this is given by CBSE that in practical the lab test will be Python program where 60% logic, 20% documentation and 20% code quality. Total marks will be 7. Small Python program that sends a SQL query to a database and displays the result. A stub program can be provided. This is of 5 marks. Then the report, that is the project file, should contain minimum 20 Python programs. Out of this, at least 4 programs should send SQL commands to a database and retrieve the result. This is of 7 marks. Project with project file that uses the concept that have been learned in class 11th and 12th is of 8 marks and Viva essay is of 3 marks. So this is the new revised syllabus and we will go through the question paper also. So according to this is your question paper. So this is your practical question paper pattern which is as per the CBSE marking scheme. So here this is provided by CBSE. From 1st of March your exam is going to, practicals are going to start. So you have sufficient time for practice. Now we will start the practice here. So many more videos will be there on this practice. So it is very easy also. Now here in the question paper we are having binary files, CSV files, stacks you are having. Then so already it is given Python program will be of 7 marks and Python MySQL connectivity will be of 5 marks. Then the project practical file will be of 7 marks, project work, complete project work 8 marks and Viva will be of 3 marks. So we will solve the questions. These questions we will solve it. Create a menu-driven program using user-defined function create file to create a binary file student.dat having admission number, name, percentage and display all records using display function. So we will create a binary file, we will display it. Write a function countrec in Python that would read contents of the file student.dat and display the details of those students whose percentage is above 75. Also display number of students scoring above 75%. So here we will have functions. One function is create file to create a binary file. Then display will be used to display. Then countrec is counting how many students are getting more than 75%. And it is showing the details of those students. So this is given by CBSE. This question is given by CBSE. So we will solve these questions. Now in this solution you can see you can use different methods. Now one method is complete menu driven you can make, and in that binary CSV and stack is given. Your teacher can give you other questions also like text file. So whichever will be given to you, you have to add in that menu and you have to solve it. So here C1, that is choice 1, is for your binary file. Now in detail I will show you. Binary file video is already there. In this create file will create the binary file. Count record will count how many students are getting more than 75 and display will display all the details. So this is your complete one. In this this is also menu driven and it is creating the file, counting the records greater than 75 and display. The second one is CSV. Now let us see the CSV one. Create a menu-driven program using user-defined function create file to create a CSV file student.csv having admission number, name, percentage. Display all records using display function. Search and display records using admission number of the student. So 3 things you have to do. You have to create a CSV file, you have to display all the records and you have to search any particular student using the admission number. So you can see here the answer. Now for CSV it is choice 2. So here you can see choice 2 is given for CSV. Now 3 function we have used. One is enter field, which is creating the CSV file, and this is enter field is entering only the field names. You can see here only the field names. If you don't want, you don't use it, the field names. Then create field will be creating all the records, display will be displaying all, and search will be searching the records and displaying. So this is also menu driven. I will run and show it. And the third one is your stack and queue of student only. So here is your third question. Create a menu-driven program using user-defined function push pop display to implement stack with student details. So here 3 functions will be there: push, pop, and display. And here all the students details. Using a nested list you can use it. So all the student details will be there. So this is your program for student details. You can see here for push we use append. For pop we use pop, air.pop, air is the list, and display directly there also you can display it. Now here you can see the menu is given, and as per the menu the functions are called. So these are your functions here. Now here in stack and queue, this is your display. Display is directly printing the list. Push is appending the data, and pop is removing the data. So this is your complete, your board practical answers, and these are your questions, board practical questions. You pause this video and note down in your copy. These are important questions, and the answers also you can pause and you can note down in your copy. Now next is your B part. B part is having Python MySQL connectivity. Separate videos are already there of Python MySQL connectivity. Here you can see that any stub, as per CBSE it is written, small Python program that sends a SQL query to a database. So you will open MySQL, and from here you are doing any task and it will be displayed in MySQL. So anything, any stub you can make it. So one is connection, you can check sorry, then connection okay or not, then creating the database. So all these things, any one it is to be asked to the students.